For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Friday, August 19th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are the stories we're following at this hour. Governor Scott and healthcare officials gathered in Barre yesterday to discuss the state's newest investments in fighting the opioid epidemic in the Green Mountain State. According to the Department of Health, in 2021, Vermont saw the highest number of overdoses to date with 215. In response, the state has allocated $9 million on top of other funding just this year toward education, prevention, treatment, and recovery efforts. Health officials say some of that funding has gone toward recovery housing and employment and addressing harm reduction. The governor says another area the state is investing in is enforcement by cutting off the supply of lethal drugs. Vermont State Police are seeking your help in solving a Westminster burglary. On Thursday, Vermont State Police received a report of a burglary between the dates of August 2nd and August 15th from a shed at a residence on Metcalf Drive. Investigation determined that several tool sets were stolen from the shed. Vermont State Police are asking anyone with information to contact Trooper Grow with the Westminster Barracks. New Hampshire's Department of Health and Human Services reported 5 new COVID-19 deaths in the state this past week. There were 1,559 new positive COVID tests reported. 19 New Hampshire patients are currently undergoing hospital treatment for COVID. A Vermont State grant has been awarded to Big Picture Farm of Townsend. The family farm will receive $147,800 to transform their entire line of packaging for their farmstead milk, cheese, and caramels to environmentally friendly formats that are recyclable, compostable, FSC certified, and or climate forward. The Northeast Dairy Business Innovation Center awarded 5 Vermont processors of dairy products a total of $1.1 million. A new poll shows strong support among New Hampshire Republicans for former President Donald Trump to run again in 2024, but there are some other names in the mix. The latest St. Anselm College Survey Center poll puts Trump at 50%. The only other possible candidate the Granite State conservative base backs in significant numbers is Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, who netted 29% in the poll. Far behind, but still putting up numbers, are U.S. Representative Liz Cheney at 4% and former Vice President Mike Pence at 3%. WTSA Sports, the Pirates snapped their 6-game losing streak, unfortunately at the expense of the Boston Red Sox last night, as Pittsburgh rolls over Boston 8-2. Boston is at Baltimore tonight. Cutter Crawford on the mound for Boston. First pitch from Camden Yards is at 7:05. Vlad Guerrero Jr. hit a 3-run homer to lead Toronto past the Yankees 9-2. The teams play again tonight. Jameson Taillon on the mound for New York. First pitch is at 7:05. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Friday, August 19th. Have a safe and tremendous weekend, everybody. My name is Ian Kelly.